Cozmo is a small AI-powered robot developed by Anki. It cannot truly feel emotions in the human or biological sense. It can recognize faces, emotions, and objects. Cozmo can avoid obstacles and react to its surroundings with curiosity. It can respond to touch, sound, and sight. It is a popular choice for both entertainment and educational purposes. However, Cozmo is programmed to simulate emotions and express them through facial expression, sounds, and body movements. These simulated emotions are designed to make interactions with Cozmo more engaging and lifelike. Cozmo displays happiness when it completes a task or wins a game. It shows frustration when it encounters obstacles or repeatedly fails at something. It can appear curious as it explores its environment. This emotional simulation helps users connect with Cozmo on a more personal level, but it's important to remember that these reactions are based on programming and sensors, not genuine feelings or consciousness.